Calibrating the instrument, calibration of the instrument is very important before you take points, you take coordinates. We have three ways. Last time we studied backside by coordinates. Today we are studying backside by angle, and the third way is 3D coordinates or resection or triangulation. For backside by angle, we need a specified angle which is called the azimuth angle. The azimuth angle is a clockwise angle which is formed between the north and the backside station. Last time we studied how to access coordinates. We have two ways, one from the measure mode. You see in the page 1, the last one is coordinates or F4 or coordinate, and the second is from the menu. From the menu you can also access that. The first thing is station orientation. In station orientation, they are asking the position of our instrument. We are having one null point and one null coordinates. That's the position of our instrument, where our instrument is positioned. So let's enter station orientation and enter the data. Northing is 406. Remember, easting is always 1/10 smaller than northing. Entering the easting data 331,716. Next is elevation. The elevation is 356. Point number we can assign, for example, point number 1. Height of instrument. You have to always measure the height of your instrument from the measure line. We have already measured our 1.6 is the height of instrument. Enter angle. Here we need a non angle. We don't have any non angle with our solve, so we are using compass. Fixing compass above the total station. So rotating our total station to fix the angle of north with 0. Because here we are finding azimuth angle. Azimuth angle is earlier we said that it is mid with north. So we are entering the in the data 0 and fixing our compass and finding through the compass, making the angle 0. Here you see our angle is 0. We are locking our total station here on 0, entering the value 0 and OK. Now let's check our prism. For checking our prism, we go to ADM. Here board should be find S and the reflector should be prism. Asking one guy to take the prism to a distance. Let's take the value, take the observation to find the point where the angle is 0 with the instrument on the north direction. We see the data come bad condition, taking again to take some accurate data. Here again observation, and here we see we got we got the point. Here are, you see some data are shown. Here you see the northing we got 404627 2 point something, and the easting 337015 and also the elevation 357. Here we are missing on one thing. We have to also enter height of target. The height of target is the height of the prism rod you are having, so you have to measure that with tape, and after that you have to enter in the height of target. Okay, here we have already measured. It is 1.5. Sorry, 1.5. To be sure, taking once more observation, taking the prism to the same point. Let's see how it's going to be. Observing the point. Okay, observe. You see the same value return again. Record this point, give a name. This point we can use as our BM, so we give the name BM. Now we can carry our job from this point, taking as BM, and we can continue our project.